The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, western Escambia County in south-central Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida, George County in southeastern Mississippi, southeastern Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, east central Stone County in southeastern Mississippi, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from McIntosh to 4 miles east of Lucedale to 5 miles northwest of Van Cleve, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Agricola, Citronelle, West Mobile, hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Midtown Mobile, Downtown Mobile, Richard, Tillman's Corner, Saraland, Bay Minette, Theodore, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Spanish Fort, Citronelle, Lucedale, Creola, Chunchula, Stockton, McCullough, Stapleton, Gulf Coast, Axis, and Mount Vernon. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central and southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central and southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and southeastern Mississippi. The following